Good morning, students.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Children, can you hear me? Good morning to everyone. Okay, children, I shared a link with you. Oh, sorry, not a link with you. I shared a message on the class group yesterday that you have to share your details. How many of you have still not done that work? Hmm? There are so many students whose details are still not there with me.
Good morning.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Everybody present here in
Morning,
the
ma'am.
class. Everybody present here in the class. You have shared your details.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Uh-uh. Okay, let's wait for other students to join. Then we'll start.
Now, what we have to do?
What you have to do? Be ready with your copies and books. We are going to do. What did we do yesterday? We completed the chapter,
No, ma'am.
or we are still doing the explanation. We are still
No,
doing.
ma'am.
We are still doing the reading of the chapter. Is it?
Yes, ma'am. No, not complete chapter.
Not
Ma'am, we
completed
have
the
to
chapter.
because
Yes, beta, say. All right. Stuti, start reading from the point where we are supposed to read. You remember from where we have to read?
common we added CE and before common era.
Era. It's called era. It's not era.
Era.
Era. The last thing that we did yesterday was we wrote different months, right, in our copies. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
The Saka calendar months and the Gregorian calendar months. So start
Yes,
reading from after that. After that, what topic is there?
ma'am. Time.
Timeline.
But ma'am, we did timeline.
We have done timelines.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you. Only Stuti is replying. Beta, please tell. We have done timelines.
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday we are doing the yes, ma'am. Error and before common reading or common era.
All right. Then start
We
reading.
will not do question answers or time.
Beta, do we ever do question answers before doing the chapter reading? Have we ever done?
No, ma'am.
Then why will we do it
No,
now?
ma'am.
Okay. Stuti, beta, please start reading.
Question answer.
Nobody has done the question answers. Don't worry. Stuti, start reading.
Okay, ma'am. Common era and before common era. The Gregorian calendar is invented in Europe where the people were mostly Christian. Since the calendar has become so widely used, AD come to be replaced by CE and BE. BC come to be replaced by BCE in order to remove the elements of Gregorian. CE stands for Common Era and BCE stands stands for before common era.
Okay, very nice. So now, see, I'm going to explain you one thing, that is the common era and what is the other one? Before common era. Before common era. Now these were the new names given to AD and BC, right? These were the new names of AD and BC. Now AD, what was AD? AD stood for, what is the full form of AD? Anno Domini. Anno Domini. Now AD became what? AD became the name of AD was changed to
Man, before Christ. Before Christ.
AD became what? AD changed to CE, common era, and BC changed to BCE, which means before common era. We had two periods, AD and BC, right? There were two periods.
Yes,
Depending based on the birth of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ's birth was considered as the 0 year. After his birth, the period was known as AD, Anno Domini, and before his birth, the period was known as BC, before Christ, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now AD became what? AD became common era and BC became before common era.
Before common era.
Why were these names replaced? Why were these names changed? Can anybody tell me? These names were changed to remove the elements of Christianity. Everybody will remember this thing. Why the names got changed to CE and BCE? To remove the elements of Christianity.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please here.
Okay. So here we come to the end of the chapter, right? Our chapter ends here. Everybody is clear about what AD is, what BC is, what CE is, and what BCE is?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
There were two periods, BC and AD, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Taking 0 year as what? As the year of Jesus Christ's birth. Okay?
Okay.
Then what happened was, these calendars, the Gregorian calendar, it got started using in the whole world. Everywhere the people were not Christian. It was in Europe that the Gregorian calendar, where was it invented? The Gregorian calendar. Where was it invented? It was invented in Europe.
Europe.
In Europe, mostly people were Christian. What were people in Europe? They were mostly Christian.
Christian.
But later this Gregorian calendar was used in the entire world. So to remove the elements of Christianity from this calendar, from this, what happened? BC got changed to before Common Era and AD got changed to Common Era. Is it clear?
Yes.
Just to remove the elements of Christianity. It was replaced. Now, let's come on to the exercises of this chapter. Yes, beta?
Ma'am, to remove the elements
Of
to
Christianity. Yes, to remove the elements of Christianity, this was replaced. BC and AD got replaced by CE and BCE. Okay, now everybody please come on to the first exercise. Which is the first exercise? It is the fill in the blanks. Right?
Yes, ma'am, it is filling the blank.
Okay, Kanishka. Kanishka, please read out the first fill in the blank.
In history, the continuing of years began from the time of Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ what?
Birthday. Birth.
Birth is
Ma'am,
the correct
birth.
answer? Birth is the correct
Yes.
answer, children? Yes or no? What is wrong? What is wrong? Is it correct or not? Say yes, ma'am, or no, ma'am. What is the correct answer? Hmm? In history, the counting of years began from the time of Jesus Christ's birth or death. Tell me. Birth. Yes. Say yes, ma'am. It's birth. Show me a thumbs up. It's birth. Okay. The next one. A timeline shows us the dash of events. What does it show us? The dash of events.
Detail.
It shows us the details.
Yes, ma'am.
I thought it shows us the order in which the events take place. It does not show us the detail, beta. It shows us the order. It shows us the sequence. What is shown on a timeline? A timeline shows us different events that take place in different sequence.
The Gregorian calendar was first used in India.
First, listen to this one.
Europe.
Everybody look up here. Now, what is
Yes,
this?
ma'am.
This is a timeline. This is a timeline, right?
Okay, ma'am.
What is shown on the timeline? Different events that take place. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose here you are 10 years old. Suppose. Then before 10 years, what will come? When you were 9 years old, when you were 8 years old. When, if you will be 11, it will be shown after this. Then here, something that happened when you were 13 years, you will be 13 years old. So what is all this? Are we not moving according to the order? Are we telling the detail of everything, or we are talking about the order of everything? What are we talking
Ma'am,
about?
order.
Order. A timeline shows us the order of events. It does not tell us the detail. We don't come to know the detail. We come to know the order of the events that have taken place in the past or will take place in the future. Clear? Then the next one. The Gregorian calendar was first used in India or Europe. Very nice. Europe. In the Saka calendar, the first month of the year is
Chaitra.
Chaitra. Very nice. It's Chaitra.
Banana.
Now, everyone has done these fill in the blanks in the book.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
ma'am.
look at the second exercise that is given. Arrange the years of the following events on a timeline given below. Now see, there is a timeline given under these 6 events. So what are they saying? They are saying us to place these events on a timeline. Okay. Let me just see, it's a timeline. A timeline moves in this order, isn't it? It moves like this, forward. Right? How do we move in a timeline? We move forward in a timeline. But what happened in BCE, before Common Era? How do we move? We move backwards, isn't it? We studied when we wrote the points, we studied there. We always move backwards in BCE and in AD. AD, which is now known as Common Era, we move forward. BC, which is now known as BCE, we move backwards. So they are telling us to place these events on a timeline. This is our timeline. Okay. This is our timeline. Now they have given different events with years. Now in this direction, which events are we going to place? The events that come under CE. And here we will move backwards with the events that took place in BCE. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now, which is the first event? Which is the first event that we are going to place on BCE? Tell me. What is BCE? BCE is the common era, before Common Era. So which is the event that is going to come here? Which event is going to come here? The event that took place in 567. There is an event that took place in 567. Then which event took place? The one happened in 1700. Because we have to move backwards. How do we move? And then the event that took place in 2500 BCE.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, when we come here, which event took place here? The events that happened in 1556. 1556. Then moving forward, which is the next event? It took place in 1869.
1869.
Then after that, which event came? The one that took place in 1950.
1970.
See, is it clearly visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So place these events on the timeline. All of you place them.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
See, in this CE, the increasing order takes place when we move right hand side. But in BCE, it takes place as we move backwards. Okay? The smaller number is placed here and the bigger number is placed backwards. You have to fill this timeline in the book only. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you can.
Everyone has done it?
Yes, ma'am. And we are doing the work in book.
Beta, this question you have to do in book. Fill in the blanks also you have to do in the book. But once you have done it in the book, you will do them in the copy also. Those who have made this timeline, now start doing fill in the blanks in your copies.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in last one the answer is chapter.
Yes, beta, it's chat.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good, beta.
Ma'am, we have to do arrange the year of the following
Yes,
event
beta.
also. And we have to arrange the year of the following event also in the
In the book. No, that you have to do only in the book, not in the copy.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done fill in the blank of the copy. Ma'am, I have done fill in the blank in copy.
Yes, you have done the work in your copy.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Let others do, then we'll move ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done the work.
How many of you are left? Is there anybody who is still doing? Okay, Dhruv, hurry up and do it. Nandini, hurry up and do it, beta.
Now we have to also write the options also.
Yes, beta. Rishabh, I can't hear what you are saying. Be a little loud.
Ma'am, we can also write options also.
You have to do exercise A, fill in the blanks only. Now, those who have done, write down the next exercise of question answers, not of timeline. Write down the first question of the question answers exercise. Answer the following.
Ma'am, we will not done the timeline.
We will not do the timeline in the copy, that we have to do only in the book. Now write down, answer these questions. How many questions are given and answer these questions?
Ma'am, 3.
Only
Ma'am?
3?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now write. What is the doubt?
We write any sentence.
Beta, only question answer नहीं लिखोगे. We write only questions. Will you not write answers? Write down the question, then we will discuss the answer. I will write the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, written question.
Okay, now who will tell what is the timeline? Can anybody tell?
Can I tell? Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Zoya Fatima, tell.
A timeline is a list of events in the order they happen. Yes, ma'am. My answer is also a timeline is a list of events in order they.
A timeline is a list of events in the order they happen.
Yes.
But children, this answer is not enough. I am going to type the answer in the chat box. Please write it from there. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. तो लोग खाता है वाला तो मैम अगर मीटिंग करना है हम कहते हैं अभी तो बेटे यार ब्रेक हो गया Ma'am, I am written first question. Ma'am, please tell. Ma'am, the class is going to over in 4 minutes. Ma'am, we need to write in same page. Fourth का section C.
Yes, beta, you have to do it in the same page.
Ma'am, what is first answer? Ma'am, what is first answer? Ma'am, I found it in chat box.
Now everybody please check your this thing, the chat box. A timeline is a list of events in the order they happened. They are an important source of history as they tell us the exact order of events occurred in the past.
ओए पैसे दिए ना पैसे दे दे ना
Children, the class is going to get over in the next 2 minutes. So this is only what we will do today. Till here only we'll do today till answer number 1.
चल स्क्रीनशॉट खींच ले जल्दी स्क्रीनशॉट खींच ले इससे कपाली कॉल कौन सा फोन कर ले देख से दे 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 दे